quick update. We're out.
The man looked at us like we were weird.
I know, but I'm a YouTuber, so we gotta keep and now my dad's like looking at me like, what the heck are you doing? So this is the total. Okay, so the underneath here, this part, I just completed. So I'm just gonna X it out. Now I need to make the tool, the belt, the top, and the choker. I'm gonna start with the tool. I actually ordered 6 or 7 yards. This was $7, so pretty cheap from Hobby Lobby. Now to the sign, I have to see how I'm gonna do this because I really don't know. I'm not a professional. I don't know how to do it. I might have to do the belt afterwards. I might just do the tool alone. Okay guys, so far what I've been doing, it looks like this. It's pretty long. I'm gonna cut one up to here, the other one's gonna be about here. I'm gonna try to measure. I'm not good at measuring, so but all I did, this is the part, the tool, it's right now folded in half. So this is the part where it doesn't have the opening, and what I do is grab a piece and just place it like that. Place it anywhere. Grab a pot, grab another piece, place it going this way. Okay guys, so I'm done. Basically this is how it came out. So now I'm gonna sew it here, probably an inch. Okay, so this is how I sew. I put this part first, so I'm making sure the bobby pin's behind. I just step on it. Obviously put this down. I forgot to put that down. And just start sewing. Go backwards. You have to press this thing here if your machine has it, or if you're sewing by hand, just sew it by hand. But I'm putting this so it can go backwards and secure it so it doesn't go anywhere. This is how the tool looks. So it looks fluffy. Well, not here, but I might probably stick that in. Okay guys, sorry if I look horrible, but it is currently 2 a.m. So I got this done. I'm putting it on my pants since I kind of took like an inch in, since Ariana's is showing a bit here. I'm sorry if it's like off to a side, but yeah. Then I also measured here on the length. Her length is like above her knee. She's like 5 feet like me, so her tight boots are gonna fit all the way, like all her legs basically. So I decided that I was gonna cut it up to there, which is still pretty long, still pretty decent. I also want this to waistband to put this, because the belt, I'm just gonna do it separate. I'm not gonna connect the belt. I feel like the belt would just, I don't know, I just couldn't breathe if I connect it. This is gonna be the top because it looks so much neater, so much prettier. I learned how to do the tutu here. I like this one, but I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna put this in here. Okay guys, so basically I am putting it on the front from how the tutu is gonna look on you. So once I put it on and I put it on this way, it makes it flowy. So let's start. I have already cut it, the tutu. Sorry, you guys can barely see it, sorry. So this is how it looks. I might have to cut this part, but I'm really not sure. Let's see, does it move? So it moves, so that's good. But this is how it looks. So I'm gonna stretch it so it doesn't look all like what the heck is going on, basically. So as I was telling you, I want this to be fluffy. So let's continue on this, guys. We're almost done. So far, we have the 2 bottom pieces. So done. Now we need the bra, the choker, and the belt. Okay guys, so I didn't tell you that when I cut my bathing suit for, did I show you guys? I think I did. For the bottom part, I actually cut a bathing suit. I realized I have the top similar to what Ariana has. So I'm gonna grab this fox leather color. Where's the color? Blush gold. So I'm gonna use this and cover this. So give me 1 second and let's get this started. You guys can also get one of your bras if you have one, a triangle one. I was gonna use my Calvin Klein one, my bra, to do the measurements, but hey, might as well use what I already have. More since you're gonna place a fox leather. So there you have your 2 boobs done and cut. Oh, measure this one too. I'm a mess after I cut them. I say measure. Okay, so this is how it is. That's not bad. Okay. So I'm gonna trace out the forms here. Leave a little bit of space so you can actually sew it on, or use an E6000 glue. I'm not really sure if that will work, but you guys can try. So I have to do this little stitch so it ends exactly like Ariana's. And she has a little stitch here too. Let's see, probably around this much should be good. Leather is actually really easy to cut, and I only have this much left, so I'm probably just gonna use 2, not a lot. Doesn't come a lot for $5. Okay. Actually, you don't need a trace, you just need a cut. So cut here. All the way to here. Then I have to do a little triangle. So, do a little triangle. After it gets sewn, it's gonna look like this. So let's sew it together. We're just gonna sew it from here. That line, that triangle line that you created, all the way till you reach here. Now pull the thread. this is what you should have. If you pull the thread, you just do 2 times here. Do it 2 times if you please. I do it 2 times so it can stay secure. Do that, you just... Okay, so basically what I just did is traced out an outline of this. I'm really trying to get this here. And then what we're gonna do is just sew it. We're just gonna sew it. To the costume. So I'll be right back after I sew it. Okay, so this is the final look of the bra that I made. I attached pearls. I sewed them in. I've also added a buckle. I forgot what that's called, but I'll put it down below. Since Ariana's also like that, I added like little, I don't know what to call that, but I attached that so it can look at least a bit more real and more like hers. The pearls were also attached to the strap of the bra. I also added this adjustable bra, so you can like actually make it more, bring it more up or bring it more down. That's what is attached, and you can just adjust it like a regular bra. I actually had to look at my bra to adjust this because this is the first time that I did this, and I thought it was incredible. That's an amazing look. Also added that little strap on the side like Ariana. And this is the belt. I attached little buttons that I bought from Hobby Lobby. They were like $2.99. And again, with the belt buckle, her looks are more with belt buckles now. I forgot what this thing is called, so I'll just link it down below. And I attach it so it can look a little bit more like a belt and real.